Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use AutoCAD. We'll learn it. Now go to draw the center's diameter circle here. Now here select line layer. Now draw the circle here. Now give the diameter 60. Now go to again draw another circle from this point, circle point 34. Okay. Now go to draw the line, center line draw. Now here select center line. This point select. Now give the value here 20. Now go to vertically 90. Okay. Now go to zoom out. Now draw the circle here. To circle draw diameter circle. This circle. Now here select again. Draw the circle again here. Give the value 54. Now again draw the circle this point 24. Okay. Now go to again line. Here select center. Now select the circle point. Now give the value here 45 and vertically distance 90. Okay. Now go to again draw the circle. Now draw here. Now again select here line. Now draw the circle here. Give the value 40. Okay. Now again draw another circle. This point 18. Diameter 18. Okay. Now go to select line. Touch this circle and again touch here this circle. Okay. Okay. Now go to again. Now select here 10 radius. Now here select and this circle and this circle. Give the value radius 70. Select enter. Okay. Now go to select trim, cut here and here. Okay. Select enter. Now no need these are delete. Now no need circle, no need center line. Delete all center line. Select eraser. Okay. Now go to again 10 radius circle. Now select this circle and this circle. Give the radius below 32. Okay. Now go to select trim tools and cut this. Okay. Okay, now go to here select linear. This point and this point dimension below. Now go to again here. This point and this point select. Now go to again here, this point and this point select. Okay. Now go to select diameter, this circle and 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 this circle. Now go to select radius, this arc below and this arc below. Okay. Now go to D, enter. Now modify. Now symbol and arrow size. Now give the arrow size below 6. Now go to text, text height 6. Okay. Set current and close. Okay, now I am going to dimension sign make center line. This and this, all dimension sign select and make center line. Center line and select. Now here select. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.